So guys, for this bonelab video, they actually have a screwdriver mod. And by the way guys, this is actually stabbable. That means you can stab NPCs with this. This one is like a pretty cool weapon to use and also makes new sounds. And if you stab an NPC, for example this one, it makes a new sound. It does kill an NPC and it does stab through. It's pretty like most it's actually one of the goofy, like it's kind of goofy. It's actually a goofy mod, I gotta say, for a stabbable mod. It's pretty goofy. So yeah, subscribe.